Let's sit down. Yes. Say hello, friends. We wish you all a Merry Christmas. If you like our channel, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Today, we'll open one of her presents from Santa. So we have Storytime Buddy. This is a lovely puppy. Do you like this lovely puppy, Mommy? Let's... Awesome! Yeah! Let's open Buddy. Are you so excited?
Yeah!
No? Yes, I know. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stories. Wow! Let's dance again. Let's dance. Go! Dance!
1.
Your first book, Mommy. Do you like this book? Oh, yes. Puppy. Do you like the puppy?
I love stories. Press a number to hear a story.
Oh. Are you happy, Julia?
5.
5. Do you want to give high five to Buddy? High five to Buddy. High five. Yay! Do you want to give me a kiss? Yes. Good job. Do you want to give high five to Buddy? Give me high five. Go. Good job. I'm a very happy puppy. I want to give you a kiss.
How would you get down?
Do you want to give me a hug? Give me a hug. A big hug. Oh dear. I love you. I love you so much.
Hello, dog.
Hello dog, yes. This dog name is Buddy, Mommy. This is Buddy. This is... Do you know who is this? This is Bella.
Bella.
Yes.
Bella.
Bella. This is Buddy. And this one is Bella.
Bella.
Look, Pepper is at the fire station, Mommy. It's the first day at work for Pepper.
Bye-bye.
Yes.
Turn the page.
And this is the fire truck, Mommy. Wow.
Bella.
Look at this.
Bella followed them. Where they went.
Yes. Pepper. And this, who is this? This one is Cooper. Yes, this dog name is Cooper. Cooper. Julia, do you want to sing to Buddy Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? So we put him to sleep. Let's put him to sleep. And let's sing. Let's sing. Look, the stars touch body. Look.
Morning.
Morning. Good morning, buddy. So high.
Morning.
Morning, buddy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So, Julia, now, do you want to say goodbye to our friends? Let's say goodbye, friends. Say goodbye, friends. Show like this. Say goodbye, friends. Now,
Morning.
good job.
Bye.
High five. Oh, go. Go. Oh, boom. Hop. Give high five. Give me high five, Julia. Julia, give me high five. So, let's give high five to our friends. High five. Yay. Say bye-bye, friends.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye. Say bye-bye. Give a kiss. Look there. Send a kiss.